Meet Dr. Lisa. She's a healthcare professional dedicated to providing the best care for her patients. However, she often struggles with managing large amounts of patient data and predicting health trends. One day, she hears about data science and wonders how it could help her. Dr. Lisa starts exploring and learns that data science is the field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. But what exactly does data science involve? Let's break it down. First, there's data collection. This is the process of gathering data from various sources like patient records, medical devices, and research studies. Next, there's data cleaning, where data scientists clean and prepare the data, removing any errors or inconsistencies. Then comes data analysis. Here, data scientists use statistical methods and algorithms to analyze the data and uncover patterns and trends. Finally, there's data visualization. This involves creating graphs, charts, and other visual tools to present the insights in an easily understandable way. Dr. Lisa decides to apply data science in her work. She collects and cleans her patient data, analyzes it to find patterns in patient health, and visualizes the results. This helps her predict health trends and make better decisions for her patients. With data science, Dr. Lisa can now provide more personalized care and improve patient outcomes. Her hospital becomes more efficient, and her patients are happier and healthier. Data science isn't just for healthcare. It's a powerful tool used in finance, marketing, transportation, and many other fields. By understanding and applying data science, you can unlock new opportunities and drive success in your career or business. Start your data science journey today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.